Functional. Double-sided 360-degree rotating mirror for placing on vanity or countertop. Magnification. 1x and 7x magnification mirrors for close-up grooming, makeup application, skincare and more. Shape. Rectangle shape with wide base ensures mirror stays upright. Style. Non-slip rubberized soft touch finish in a sleek matte black color. Size. Sits 6.75 wide, stands 8 tall, making this mirror an ideal size for any countertop. This soft-touch rectangular vanity mirror comes within a sleek matte black finish and includes 1x and 7x magnification views. Mirror rotates 360 degrees for easy use. Top reviews from the United States. Quality little mirror, good for guys. I've never had a table mirror like this, so I can't compare it with other products. I will say that the reflection on both sides is perfectly clear, much better than those shaving mirrors I have come across in hotel bathrooms. It is small, which is great. I don't want a large mirror taking up counter space. The reflective surface itself is 5 by 7. The base of the stand is 6 3/4 across and the total height from the bottom of the stand to the top of the frame is 8 1/4 inch. It also has a rubberized coating, which means it is less prone to being knocked off a wet countertop. And since it has a purely functional, non-frilly design and a matte black finish, it is a good guy mirror.